Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan caravan, where you can learn to draw a road sweeper. A road sweeper is a special kind of truck that has brushes on the front. As it drives along, it brushes the street and makes it clean. Let's start by drawing a road. So draw a line along the bottom of your page, quite straight, but a little bit bumpy, to show that it's got bits of dust and dirt all over it that need sweeping up. Then you can draw 2 circles for wheels. One line that goes all the way around. And another one over this side. Inside those circles, draw a smaller circle. And inside the smaller circles, do a circle of dots. This shows the bolts that hold the wheels onto the truck. We don't want them to fall off. Then you can colour the tyres black. Join the 2 wheels up with one straight line. And then, starting on this end, we're going to draw a standing up rectangle. This is going to be the cab of the road sweeper, where the driver sits. Let's try that with our pencils. Starting in the middle of the wheel, draw a little way out and then go straight up, over the top, and then down, just behind that front wheel. We're going to do the same thing on the back. Draw just a little way out, up to the same level, and across the top to join the cab. This part of the road sweeper is where all the dust and dirt is sucked up and stored. It's like a big dustbin on the back. About halfway along the top of that big dustbin, we're going to start a line that goes down to about the middle of the back of it to make a triangle on the back here. See this triangle shape? Let's try that with our pencils. Draw one straight line to make a triangle on the back. This can be where the driver opens the dustbin to empty all the dust and dirt. It will need a handle, so let's use a tiny little standing up rectangle for the handle on the back. We need a big window on the front, so starting just below the roof, let's draw a big square. 4 lines that are all the same length. Then just below the front corner of the road sweeper, we're going to draw the brush. Let's use a semicircle for this. Just above the ground, draw a straight line and then go up and over the rainbow to make the semicircle, and then you can draw lots of lines to show the brush sweeping up the dust and dirt. Then draw a little line down rectangle for the door handle. Draw 2 trapeziums on top of the road sweeper. These can be the warning lights. To show they're flashing, draw little lines all the way round. You can colour them in orange later. Let's draw the driver next. So draw a circle, one line that goes all the way round at the top for the driver's head. 2 little lines for the neck. Bloop, bloop. And then a rectangle for the body. One line that goes across the top, one down the side, and one down the other side. Now we can draw the steering wheel. So make another circle in that gap at the front. Draw another circle just inside that one to make the steering wheel quite thick. Sometimes there are controls in the middle of the steering wheel, like a button to beep the horn if someone's in the way. To draw this detail, do 2 little semicircles, one on each side of the bottom part of the steering wheel circle. Then draw a line across about halfway up. Then you can use 2 slightly bigger semicircles for the hands. One on this side of the steering wheel and one on this side of the steering wheel. Then starting on the top corner, on the shoulder, draw a line that joins the shoulder with the hand and another one just below it. You can do the same on the other side, starting on the corner of the body square. Join it up to the circle hand and another one just below it. Then you can give your driver a face. I'm going to put the eyes quite near the front of the circle so it looks like the driver's looking forwards. A straight line for the mouth. Show that the driver's concentrating. Dot for the nose. And some hair. I wonder what colour your road sweeper's going to be. Beep beep. Road sweeper coming through.